What is a multi-signature wallet? Consider a vault that takes 3 keys to open, and even if you have 2 of these keys, you still need the last key to get entry. This is exactly the concept behind a multi-signature wallet. So, MultiSig wallets are crypto wallets that need multiple signatures. This means it uses a combination of private keys to validate transactions, thereby boosting the wallet's security. Typically, it allows you to customize the number of keys associated, and the minimum number of approved private keys. For example, a transaction can be validated if 3 of the 5 approved keys are entered. An interesting feature of a multi-sig wallet is the possibility of 2 or more users sharing a wallet, with each transaction requiring the validation of the private key holders. As much as multi-sig wallets help in reducing the security concerns associated with a single private key wallet, they have a slower transaction speed due to their validation process. Wow! You have learned a bunch about crypto wallets so far. Good job!